First of all, my name is Noa. I've been with AppsFlyer for the past 6 years. So AppsFlyer is a measurement and analytics platform. We actually measure our customers' campaigns and kind of provide insights as to how well the campaigns are converting and what insights they can take off it to kind of allow them to grow and be more successful at what they do. Applause here, it's crazy, amazing. I mean, it's my first time. So first of all, the venue is amazing. We have a lot of customers here from AppsFlyer, so it's amazing for us to meet the clients and kind of like, do the networking and enjoy the venue itself. The weather is amazing. The content is super. I mean, we're also hosting, and I'm doing a panel, but it's really, really nice to kind of get to know the people in the industry, the partners and the clients. So amazing. Yeah. Barcelona is amazing, and the venue here is super great. Clients here, I mean, networking and meeting partners, coming here to hear about content. Yeah, everything is just amazing. I would definitely recommend. Amazing experience.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Sure.